Morning students. Today we will continue our third unit of PE class 11. Importance of physical fitness, wellness and healthy lifestyle. In last video lecture we were discussing about the healthy lifestyle. So here importance of physical fitness. What is the importance of physical fitness, physical wellness and healthy lifestyle? So here some points are given. Total efficiency is improved. First point is that a physical fit person can perform more work. If the person is physically fit, he can perform the work more with less fatigue, with less stress and tiredness. Therefore, his total efficiency is improved. Means his total efficiency, if he is physically fit or physically well or healthy, he can do the work perfectly. Better quality of work. If he is physically well or fit, better quality of work means he can improve the better quality in his work. A physically fit person has better response. He gives the better response in his work. He is more accurate, therefore there is less wastage of energy. If he or she is physically fit, he can waste less of his energy, and he is better quality of work. He can work better. It improves neuromuscular coordination. And he is physically fit or well, he can improve neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular, nervous and muscles coordination. Third number, optimum growth and development. Physical fitness and wellness program provides a good healthy environment. If he is physically fit or healthy, the physical fitness and wellness program provides good and healthy environment. This helps in optimum growth of development. Means he can grow and he can develop himself very well if he is physically fit. Better utilization of time. He can utilize his time very well if he is physically fit or well and if his lifestyle is healthy. Physically fitness program provides a good atmosphere for the growth and development, for the growth of particular and for the development of particular. Physical fitness provides the good atmosphere, and thus the time is utilized in a healthy way, and he or she can utilize his time in a healthy way. Next number, healthy environment. To remain fit or one requires healthy, clean and safe environment. If he or she if anyone wants to be fit, he requires a great and healthy and clean environment. Thus, a healthy and clean environment is built through the physical fitness and wellness programs. And the healthy environment, clean and healthy environment is built through the physical fitness and wellness programs. If he or she is fit, or if the physical fitness or wellness programs are given to the particular or to the society, he can clean and he can make his environment healthy. Next is here parents' health hazards and health problems. Here, the programs of physical fitness and wellness improves our immune system. The physical fitness programs and wellness programs, it improves our immune system, is immunity system, thus prevents us from various diseases, and it also protects us from various kinds of diseases and illness, and moreover, healing is faster and quicker, and we can recover ourselves very quicker and very fast. Improve psychological functioning. Physical fitness and wellness programs improve the functioning of the various systems. Thus, body works efficiently and effectively without any disorder. Next is good looking physical fitness and and wellness activities. If we are doing the activities to be fit, and this helps us to maintain good shape, size and body structure. If we are working daily, every day, we work out every day, we can fit our shape and size of our body structure. Thus physical personality becomes attractive. Next, the important improvement in physical abilities. Here physical fitness and wellness activities directly improve strength, speed, endurance, flexibility and coordination abilities to a great extent. Means improvement in physical abilities. We can improve if we are physically fit, we are physically well, we can improve our abilities. Idea of hygienical habit. So the program of the physical fitness and wellness guide us to take an ideal balanced diet. Means we should take an ideal balanced diet, and they also guide us how to control weight, remove postural deformities and develop hygienical habit and know their importance. Means the physical fitness program guide us how to control our weight and remove postural deformities, means postural disorder, and develop hygienical habit and know their importance, and they tell about their importance. Development of social quality. The physical fitness activity may many social qualities are developed like cooperation, adjustment, tolerance, patience, leadership, etc. Means physical fitness activities or physical activity, they develop the cooperation, adjustment, tolerance, patience, leadership, etc. Means we can develop all these things by physical activities, which help us to adjust well in society, and through that we can adjust ourselves in a society. Next is here experience of life stresses. Physical activities help us to control and manage stress. Means if we are doing activities every day, regular physical activities, we can control and manage our stress, manage our fatigue. Also directs our emotions in good way. They give us joy, fun and pleasure. And through this kind of activity, physical activities, we can gain pleasure, we can enjoy. And next is that prevent premature aging. It prevents, means physical fitness and physical wellness prevents premature aging. A healthy, clean and safe environment provides optimum well-being to live most. Thus keep us young throughout and prevents us from premature aging. Next, preparedness for emergency. A physical fit person performs his job efficiently, means perfectly. If the person is physically fit, he can perform his job, he can perform his work perfectly, and still has sufficient reserve of energy to meet emergency situation. And he can have the sufficient reserve of energy to meet emergency situation. Means in emergency situation he can handle that emergency if he is physically fit or well. Here some components of physical fitness. What are the components of some physical fitness? There are 5 physical fitness. First is the strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, coordinate, ability. So here we will discuss it. Here first is strength. So these are the components. First component is the strength. It is an ability. Strength is an ability of muscles to overcome resistance. We can overcome from the resistance if by the strength can be defined as the amount of force a muscle can exert. A muscle can draw and it is defined as the amount of force. This is the amount of strength, is the amount of force a muscle can exert, a muscle can apply. It is an essential component for the games and sports. And strength here, strength is essential, most important component for the games and sports. Different games require different levels and types of strength. And when we play different kinds of games and we do different kinds of activities, it requires different types of strength. It can be improved through the systematic training. We can improve our strength through the systematic training. Second is the static strength. This is the kind of strength. First class static strength, and second is the dynamic strength. So what is static strength? So it is also known as the isometric strength. It is the ability to act against the resistance from the single or one position. It is known as the isometric strength. It is ability. Here the static strength means stable strength, which remains same, which remains as it is. So that is the static strength. It also known as the isometric, and it is the ability to act against the resistance from the single or one position. Or in another example, you can say like the arm wrestling, powerlifting, pushing ball. So this kind of strength is called static strength. Second is dynamic strength. This is just opposite of static strength. Dynamic strength is just opposite of static strength. So here the dynamic strength means functional strength. Here that is the stable strength, static strength, which remains as it is, and this is the functional strength. It is also known as the isotonic strength. It is related to movement, and thus we can say that it is required for the movement. Means this kind of strength, dynamic strength required for the movement, and it is of three types. Here, three kinds of dynamic strength are given here. You can see here three kinds of dynamic strength. First is the maximal strength. This is a kind of dynamic strength. And what is the maximal strength? It is the ability to act against the maximum resistance. Means it is an ability to act against the maximum resistance. If the maximum resistance is there, we can act against it. It is the quality of muscle to control forcefully. It is also known as a power. It is more required in the playing, throwing, wrestling, etc. It can be measured by the throw attempts and power lifting. Next is the explosive strength. Explosive strength, it is the ability to overcome resistance with a high speed. Explosive, the name itself tells about the explosive strength, that it is the ability to overcome resistance. It is also kind of ability strength to overcome the resistance with a high speed. And in fact, it is the combination of strength and speed. This is the explosive strength is the combination of strength and speed, and in simple words, it is the ability of muscles to perform forceful movement in quickest possible time. Means at a quickest possible time, this is a kind of movement to perform forcefully. It is generally required in jumping activities and also in those games and sports where very fast and powerful responses are required. This strength can be measured by the dynamometer or by the jumps chinning test, and it can be measured by the dynamometer or jumps chinning test. Here jumping and chinning test. Third is the strength endurance. Here what is strength endurance? It is the combination of strength and endurance ability. Means this is the combination of strength and endurance, means patience, and it is defined as the ability to overcome resistance. It is also defined to overcome the resistance under the fatigue condition, means under the weariness condition. If we are tired, now we can overcome through this strength, and this quality enables a person to sustain localized muscles through for extended period of time. and it is commonly required for the long distance races, swimming, road cycling, and this kind of strength is required here. Means strength endurance required when we swim, when in road cycling, in mountaineering, in swimming, and long distance races. And strength endurance can be measured through the chin-ups, and it can be measured through the chin-ups.